3, 2, 1.
How are you doing today? Always doing great work, spreading Saudi hospitality.
What's your name?
I'm Sarah. But I'm not.
You are from which country?
بعيد القبال وحار إلى ما تستقر.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to the future of fuel management. I'm here to introduce
How are you?
Your smart solution for effortless refueling and
My son, his name is Daud,
to cash payments.
and my daughter Amna.
Makes fuel management seamless and
Can you talk to me? I am sitting here.
And let me show you how it works. Welcome.
انت لما تاخذ السياره فول باكج مع سعراتها كامله ما حتوصل حتى 300,000 حتاخذي معها اي حتاخذي معها الطاولات
مساج برو.
في مساج؟
Yeah, everything bro.
مساج ما شاء الله.
History, technology, culture, and green questions. I am constantly learning and improving based on our interaction. My target is to learn tools of the person. The better I understand your preference and communication style. My current focus, my primary goal is to assist Wings is working towards expanding my language capability and to connect with a wider audience. My purpose is to be a helper, informative, and engaging AI companion. What else would you like to know about me? I hope to encourage it was great chatting and discover new things. If you have any sentiment in the future, my success is measured by how effectively I can have a wonder to benefit users like you. That's an excellent.
So it contains all the information about the city, buildings, building has the geographical information and good vegetations, and water roads, anything. So city, now you are looking at the city, where I live at the moment. And we can simulate all sorts of natural scenarios such as different timelines, different weather, and also simulate traffic and human flow on top of it. And then this is foundation of smart city. After we create the foundation of the city, we create dashboards, integrate also the data into a beautiful 3D view. and then create the IOC devices, the solutions for the command center. So later on, I will show you some of our existing use cases.